In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause watch history in YouTube. This is a quick, reliable way to prevent new videos you watch from being saved to your account's history, which can also stop your recommendations from shifting based on what you're viewing temporarily. It's handy if you're researching a topic you don't want influencing your home feed, or if you're using a shared device and want a bit more privacy. Start on YouTube while signed in. First, open your history. On desktop, you'll find History in the left-hand navigation panel. On mobile, look for History from your main navigation as well. The History page shows the list of videos you've watched, plus controls related to your activity. Next, find the option labeled Pause Watch History. This control is visible right on the History page. When you select it, YouTube will show a short explanation of what this setting does. Pausing doesn't delete anything you've already watched. It simply stops adding new videos to your watch history from this moment forward. That means anything you watch while paused won't appear in your history list later. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Pause to confirm. You'll see the control change to indicate that watch history is now paused. From now on, YouTube won't save new plays to your history until you come back and turn it back on. While paused, your future viewing also won't influence your personalized recommendations as much, because YouTube relies heavily on watch history to tailor what it suggests. A few helpful notes so you know exactly what to expect. Pausing watch history is different from clearing it. Pausing stops new entries, clearing removes past entries. Your existing watch history remains intact unless you choose to delete it separately. Also, search history is separate from watch history, so pausing here doesn't pause searches. If you're signed in on multiple devices, this pause applies to your account, so it carries over wherever you use YouTube with the same login. If you ever want your recommendations to adapt again, simply return to the same history area and unpause. Until then, enjoy browsing without leaving a trail of new watched videos in your account. That's all there is to it. You opened History, chose Pause Watch History, and confirmed by clicking Pause. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this section anytime you need a quick refresher.